We're home from college. Welcome back to the Texas vlogs. What a not even 24 hours, what a last 12 hours it has been. I am back home. I left Idaho yesterday. I came home to Austin pretty late and I have gotten zero sleep because Matcha was waking me up twice. He decided to be an absolute feral of a dog on the plane. Insert video.
Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands together, everybody. No, yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, everybody. All right. Ow. No. First off. 1, 2, 3. You ready? Get the party started. Let's make it right. Good night, everybody.
Yeah, that was a lot. Happy Mother's Day. I'm not sure if I have any mothers that watch my videos, but if I do, I appreciate you. Thank you for all that you do. I'm so happy that I get to spend Mother's Day with my mom today. We're going to Catholic Mass this morning, hence why I literally look horrible and I feel like I have bags under my eyes. It's 6 a.m. so I'm getting ready. And then we're gonna go to Eddie B's for brunch. And I'm so excited to eat because I'm always thinking about food 24/7. I have to show you guys this outfit right now because it is the epitome of going home. I have this really old thrifted sweatshirt and then these Halloween themed boxers. I mean, like, seriously, if I wasn't wearing the ghost boxers, would I really be home? Got this tiny little strand of hair. Also, I'm trying out this new hairspray because it was the perfect travel size. It's called the Day Sunsetter hairspray. I'll let you guys know by the end of the day how it holds in my hair. But so far, I really like it. I feel like it's the perfect amount of crunchiness where it's not impossible to brush through, but where it also actually holds your curls. We're doing George Washington this morning. All right. I will brush out these curls, but first I'm gonna let them sit while I do my makeup. We gotta speed run this because my dad said we're leaving for Mass at 6:50 and it's 6:34. Had to bring home the gua sha, obviously. What was that? Yeah, I like Parker McCollum. Yeah, he is good. Do you like him? Is that what you were just singing? No. Completed OOTD. Mom, you want to give an outfit of the day?
Sure. Okay.
It's our girl's big day!
Hello. Happy Mother's Day.
How are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. Wait, give us a head to toe.
So this is just a basic Old Navy cardigan.
Cute.
And this is an Eileen Fisher dress. One of my favorite designers that I like to wear. Just regular gold hoops from I don't know where. And this is my special Mother's Day gift from Sweet Caroline.
Wait, what about the shoes?
Oh, the shoes Donald, I think it's Donald Pliner, my other favorite brand.
Oh, I've never heard of that.
Yeah.
Today's shoes are Sam Edelman, courtesy of my mom. Oh my gosh, look at this Texas sun. Feels good to be back home, you guys. Because it's Mother's Day, I have been keeping note of two things. First off, my mom loves this necklace idea where it has the daughter's names, all of the kids' names, and then the husband's name engraved. So I found a girl who did it and I had it custom made and I gave it to her early so that she could wear it to brunch today. Second gift that I got her, I actually surprised her with when I was back in Boise. So I want to give a huge thank you to SeatGeek for sponsoring today's video. I'm about to call my mom and surprise her with half of her Mother's Day gift. She loves Eric Church, you guys.
What you doing?
I'm getting ready to teach bar.
Nice.
Are you doing anything on Thursday?
Not good enough. Wow.
Not at 9 p.m.?
Why?
Because you and Dad are gonna go to Eric Church.
What? You're kidding.
No, I'm so serious.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Where's it at?
I know it's last minute, but it's in Austin. And I got them for both my dad and her, and they went, had the best time, and I'll insert some photos right here. But seriously, concert tickets are one of the best gifts, whether it's birthday gifts, Mother's Day gifts, or even just like a graduation gift. I would absolutely die if I saw Coldplay live. I'm so glad that my mom and dad were able to have that experience at Eric Church together. With over 28 million downloads, SeatGeek is the #1 rated app. Also, there are so many artists going on tour, like Beyonce, The Weeknd, SZA, Sabrina Carpenter. SeatGeek has your back. Each ticket is rated on a scale of 1 to 10. So look for the green dots. Green means good, red means bad. As you guys know, I love coming through for you guys, so I have a last minute discount code for y'all. If you want to get tickets for your moms, you can use code Caroline10 on your next purchase and you'll get 10% off of tickets. Are you excited for today?
I am.
It's a big special day.
Excited to go eat at Eddie V's.
Guys, I have not been to Eddie V's in a long time. I don't even remember what it looks like. All I know is that they're known for steak, right?
Yes.
Am I like a great aunt?
No, I am. You're like cousins. I don't know if it's second cousins.
Guys, comment down below if my cousin, so my mom's sister's son, who's my cousin, had a baby, what am I to the baby?
I think you're the second cousin, but just double check.
Okay,
I'm not sure.
Yeah, comment down below. I'm not really sure what I am exactly, but I'm so excited. This is the first baby of the family. I've been dying to meet Tillian.
So cute.
Is he really?
Yes. He's always happy.
Oh my gosh. This is probably not gonna be good for my baby fever because any single time I'm around a baby, I'm just like, I want one. Oh gosh, run. Run.
It's like over the hedge.
It is like over the hedge. Alright, we just got out of mass. And now we're gonna go get some food. I'm so hungry. I could eat a whole buffet right now. Are you excited to eat?
I am.
Alright. How was mass?
It was very beautiful and emotional at the same time. It was beautiful. I did. I miss my mama.
Can we stop and get coffee?
Yes.
We made it to the Arboretum. No, wait, we're not at the Arboretum.
The Domain.
We're at the Domain. We're going to get a gift for Kitty Cat because she's graduating. Wait, what were you gonna say?
I don't know.
I'm out of breath. It has been so long since I've come to the Domain, but seriously, this has to be the best shopping center. I love the Village at Meridian, but it doesn't compare to this. Here's what we're thinking. We're thinking David Yurman for Catherine. You want to get her something?
Possibly.
And then I want to get her something too. I have a little gift started already, but I feel like there's one last one that I could do and just get her like an all-out gift, and this would be that. These are the three that I'm going to be trying on. First we have this beautiful blue aquamarine dress. Then there's this long kind of olivey green color. And then this one's kind of different. It's like short, but also giving 13 going on 30. Absolutely love this. I don't know why, I'm just a huge fan of like strapless dresses. This is what it looks like from the side, open slit here. It's kind of like ruched. Okay, wait. Okay, then I also really love this. This is so cute. Okay, I want to love this dress, but I feel like the length, I don't know. It's definitely giving mermaid. Okay, what a successful shopping trip. Also, this is like the perfect height. I need this height in my car when I film because mine is just a very awkward height. As you guys saw, I tried on 3 dresses. I ended up going with the olive green colored one because I'm also gonna be going to a bachelorette party in August, and so I can just wear it also for that. So Catherine has an outdoor ceremony and then an indoor ceremony when she graduates from Georgetown University. And I was like, that's gonna be perfect. So I ended up getting that dress. And then my mom and I went to David Yurman. And as I said earlier, I wanted to get Catherine like a grown-up gift. I got Catherine a ring similar to this one right here. She's very minimalistic. I want her to have pieces that could actually be used for if she gets dressed up and goes to like a military ball, or rings like this are worth the investment. And then my mom got her a bracelet cuff. So I have one similar at my house, but this one has like a thinner band than the one that I have. We are going to go see baby Tillian. I'm so excited. I'm always looking forward to seeing my cousin because I feel like now that he's a dad, I just want to see what he's like. Like, what is his personality like? But yeah, we're gonna head there right now. I'm gonna see my aunt, wish her a happy Mother's Day as well. And it's just a beautiful day. Yeah.
She's graduating, so we're here.
All right, update, we're back at home. I made myself a little yogurt bowl before I go work out. My dad is watching Instagram Reels.
You see this photo? Insane.
How do they do that?
I don't know. Crazy.
Leo has been my childhood dog, and he's so old. Lacey is still Lacey over there, and Matcha is adjusting well.
Yes. He's in the groove.
I just made a yogurt bowl.
Yogurt bowl. And then Matcha, wherever he is.
Hey, over there.
Where's mom?
She just got out of her closet. I heard the door slam. So what's going on today?
I invited some friends on Friday night to meet us at Carpool. Do you want to go to it?
Carpool?
It's the one that George Strahan recommended.
I remember. What kind of food is that? Carpool. Interesting.
So it's not more of an asking, it's a telling.
Yeah, it wasn't a quick. I'm telling you guys because we have our fancy dinner.
That is so nice. They're gonna buy us drinks.
We went to Eddie V's and I was like, Caroline, do you want me to get you a drink? You can share with me. And then I figured, oh yeah, she's 21.
Yeah, no, I think it would be fun. We could go to Carpool and...
Hashtag legal.
I think you'd have fun. This is the one that I love. So I ordered a set to my house in Texas. This is the Davines Momo shampoo, and it's really good for dry or dehydrated hair. And then the Momo conditioner. Hi guys. My razor?
She was at HEB.
Thank you. I just got home from the gym. What a beautiful day. It's currently 80 degrees outside, and I checked the weather, and the next couple of days is gonna be 106. So I think today was the right day to walk to the gym, get in a good full body strength workout, and then walk back. The whole entire time I was walking back, I was thinking about how tonight I'm gonna have my mom's home cooked meal, which is chicken and dumplings. And she makes the best chicken and dumplings because she makes it with gnocchi. Anyways, I'm gonna do a body shower because I smell disgusting. My hair is not quite ready to be washed. I think it has one more day in it, but I do wanna do a body shower before I put on my pajamas. And I had my dad run to HEB and just pick this up with his grocery run because your girl forgot both of her Billy razors in Idaho. I knew I was forgetting something. It was this. So I'm going to go take a body shower and I will see you guys after and do a taste test of chicken and dumplings with the Rents. Look who's here! Guys, this looks so good.
Why?
Ooh, look at it! Should I cover it?
Yes, our Lord, and these are gifts which you're about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Tell us what you're doing.
Medium hotness for the HEB salsa, the Tostito cheese, and then a mild jalapeno.
These chips are phenomenal. Central Market, y'all outdid yourself. We have a Vietnamese pastry in the oven right now. I don't really know what it's called.
This is called pate choux. It's a Vietnamese.
God! Really?
As I was rudely interrupted. This is a Vietnamese pastry that has meat inside, so I'll cut it up. Or cut it for you guys.
Yeah, let's see. That was gross.
Sorry.
Bun bao, I'll cut it in half, and it has meat and eggs in the middle.
Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why not try